Hey, little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start. Stand tall and get ready to move. Move your arms with control. Lift halfway and lengthen spine. Hold strong and stay steady. Push back and stretch fast. Lift one leg with balance. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Pull knee forward with control. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Step forward and open hips. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Rise up and stay strong. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Open wide and stay balanced. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Reach back and stay light. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Stretch long and move smoothly. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Sit low and hold steady. Stand tall on one leg. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Lift back leg and balance. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Open sideways and stay stable. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Amazing work, yoga friends! You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in, and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye bye, yoga friends.